Good day everyone. Today we will see how to create door tag or window tag as attribute dynamic block. Okay, let's see. First go ellipse, (8mm), 2.5mm. Okay, now go block, define attribute, tag dd, prompt dx, default d1, text settings, justification, middle center, text style AA, text height 3mm, rotation 0. Okay, press shift key and right click, mid between 2 point, click here. Okay, then go block, B enter, block name dt, select object, enter, pick point, click here, block unit millimeters, open in block editor, allowed exploding. Okay, d1. Okay, go parameters, base point, click here, parameters linear, click, go properties, select distance 1, number of grips 1. Okay, go action, scale, select parameter, select object, enter, select ellipse, go home, layer door tag. Okay, close spec editor, save changes, click. Okay, let's see. Go insert dt, click, tag d2a. Okay, select object, we can change ellipse size. Okay, select attribute block, go block, attribute manager, block dt, edit, attribute, tag dd. Okay, text, select text style AA, height 3, go properties, layer door tag, by layer. Okay, apply. Okay, copy, okay, double click, B, apply. Okay, double click, C, apply. Okay, D, apply. Okay, select all, go properties, distance 5.25, enter. Okay, dd, w2a, enter. Okay, go single, edit attribute, select object, w2k, text option, width factor 7.75, go properties, color red, apply. Okay, Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.